Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, back again with me Afrizal in Nandificat channel. This time I will review one of the journals with scientific articles. Let's continue reviewing. This is the journal I will review. Here I have made a summary of the review. The article I reviewed was titled Comparative Analysis of Conjecture, Laravel and Ketupat Frameworks. A case study of online exam application. Next, the name of the journal that contains the article is Indonesian Journal of Applied Research or IJR. Next, volume and page. Volume is 3 and page 207 to 229. Next, year is 2022. Next author is Sismati, Indra Martono and Vidya Astuti. Here I have included a link to access the article. Let's open it so we can see the article page. Next, reviewer is my Afriel Izamunadif. That reviewer July 4, 2024. Next, background. The background of this study is the importance of performance, security, and other measurements in choosing a framework for an online exam application. In a digital world that continues to develop, the speed of access to digital information is crucial in decision making. Therefore, the study analyzed three popular frameworks, namely Conjecture, Laravel, and Ketupat, to understand which one can provide the best performance and security in the context of online exam application. By using forensic digital methodology as a framework for collecting function, class, and roles, the study aims to provide in-depth insight into the advantages and disadvantages of each framework. Through a research and development approach with the extreme programming methods, the study compares the three frameworks using tools such as WebDev, Apache, Gmeter, and JetOS. The results of this study show that Conjecture achieves performance score of 77, Laravel 75, and Ketupat 99, as well as security scores of Conjecture medium, Laravel medium, and Ketupat low. Thus, an in-depth understanding of the comparison can help developers and organizations in choosing the appropriate framework to build an efficient and secure online exam platform. Next problem. The underlying problem of this research is based on the experience of using application built using Joomla and WordPress. That experience, performance and security fails. This led to unresponsive application and is vulnerable to hacking attacks. Therefore, the study aims to compare performance and security between three web frameworks, namely Conjecture, Laravel, and Ketupat. Thus, web application developers can see the advantages of each framework and choose the most suitable one for their application needs. Ketupat as a relatively new framework offers a client-server approach with JSON as the data link, which makes it easy to use by both developers and users. Meanwhile, Conjecture and Laravel also have their own advantages, such as Conjecture which is a powerful PHP framework with few bugs, and Laravel, which is designed to improve software quality by reducing initial development and maintenance costs. Thus, this comparison is expected to provide useful insights for developers in choosing the right framework for their online exam application. Next, research objective. The purpose of the study in conduct a comparative analysis between three popular web frameworks, namely ContactNet, Laravel, and Ketupat. In the context of online exam application, by conducting this comparison, the research aims to provide an in-depth understanding of performance, security, and other relevant factors in choosing the most suitable framework for building an online exam platform. Through the use of forensic digital methodologies and tools such as WebDev, Apache GMeter, and JabOS, this study aims to provide a comprehensive evaluation of the three frameworks. Thus, the main goal of this study is to provide useful guidance for developers and organizations in choosing the optimal framework to build an efficient and secure online exam application. Next, data source. The data source in this study comes from a comparative analysis between three web frameworks, namely ContactNet, Laravel, and Ketupat, which is carried out using digital forensic methodologies. The data used to evaluate the performance and security of the frameworks were obtained through the use of tools such as WebDev, Apache GMeter, and JetOS. In addition, the study also refers to related literature that includes documents, books, articles, and previous discoveries in the form of theories of preview findings, both from online and offline sources. As such, the research data sources include first hand analysis results from framework performance and security testing, as well as literature review that support an in-depth understanding of the comparison between ContactNet, Laravel, and Ketupat in the context of online exam application. Research methods. The research method used in the study involves a digital forensic approach to conduct a comparative analysis between three web frameworks, namely ContactNet, Laravel, and Ketupat, in the context of online application. In the context of offline exam application, the research follow four main steps in the web framework development process, which include 1. Identification of research problems. The first step involves identifying research problems to be further researched, which begins by paying attention to various phenomena, events, and information related to the research being conducted. 2. Literature study. The second step involves the study of literature to gather information from various sources, such as documents, books, articles, and previous discovery, both online and offline, to support an understanding of the framework to be compared. 3. System Development Life Cycle, or SDLC, for framework. The third step involves various steps in the system development life cycle, namely planning, design, coding, and testing. Each of these steps has an important role in the development of the web framework for to be evaluated. Framework testing. The fourth step involves testing the framework to determine the feasibility of the frameworks that has been developed from previous research. This testing process includes the steps of testing, analysis, and evaluation of the framework that has been developed. By using a digital forensic approach and following these four steps, the study aims to provide an in-depth understanding of the comparison between ContactNetter, Laravel, and Ketupat in the context of online exam application. Thus, this research method provides a comprehensive framework for evaluating performance, security, and other relevant factors in choosing the most suitable framework for the development needs of online exam application. Next, research object. The object of research in this study is a comparison between three web application development frameworks, namely ContactNetter, Laravel, and Ketupat, in the context of online exam application. This research focuses on the performance and security analysis of the three frameworks when used to build and run online exam application. Using the online exam application as a case study, the study aims to compare the performance and security level of ContactNetter, Laravel, and Ketupat in real what you check situation. Through this analysis, the research can provide an in-depth understanding of the strengths and weaknesses of each framework in the context of online exam application development. Thus, the object of this research is to compare the performance and security aspect of three different frameworks with the aim of providing useful insight for developers in choosing the appropriate framework for the development of online exam application. Next result. The result of this study include a comparative analysis between three web application development frameworks, namely ContactNetter, Laravel, and Ketupat, in the context of online exam application. Here are some of the results that can be concluded from this study. 1. Performance. Ketupat received the highest performance score of 99, followed by ContactNetter with a score of 77 and Laravel with a score of 75. Ketupat shows excellent performance in running online exam application with fast load times and high responsiveness. 2. Soft. The security levels of each framework are medium for ContactNetter, medium for Laravel, and low for Ketupat. Ketupat has a lower level of security compared to ContactNetter and Laravel, so extra attention is needed in scoring application developed using this framework. 3. Conclusion. Ketupat stand out in terms of performance with the highest scores, but it has a lower level of security compared to ContactNetter and Laravel. ContactNetter and Laravel show a better level of security, but Ketupat's performance is superior in the context of online exam application. Thus, the result of this study provide an in-depth understanding of the comparison between the three popular frameworks in web application development, especially in the context of online exam application. Developers can use this result as a guide in selecting a framework that suits the performance and security needs of the application to be developed. Research advantages. Some of the advantages of this study are: 1. Comprehensive. This study conducts a comprehensive comparison between the popular framework. 2. Relevant. This study is relevant to the needs of web application developers who are looking for information related to the performance and security of various frameworks. The result of the research can provide useful guidance in choosing a framework that suits the needs of the project. Systematic research method. This research use systematic research method, including problem identification, literature study, framework development, performance testing, security testing, and data analysis. They ensures the accuracy and reliability of the research results. 4. Contribution to knowledge. This research contributes to knowledge in the field of web application development by comparing three different frameworks. The results of the study can be a reference for research and developers in the future. 5. Practical application. This research has practical applications that are directly related to the development of online exam application. The result of the research can help developers in choosing the right framework for similar application project. With this effects, the study makes a valuable contribution to the understanding of the comparison between Contact Nature, Laravel, and Ketupat frameworks in the context of web application development. Some of the lack of research. Some of the shortcomings of this study might include 1. Sample and scope. The study may have limitation in the sample use or the scope of the online exam application studied. This can affect the generalization of research result to other situation. 2. Additional variables. The study focused on performance and security, blah 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 blah. 3. Research timing. 4. Testing methodology. 5. Research limitation. Next, discussion or recommendation. The discussion on recommendation that can be taken from this study are as follows. 1. Framework selection is based on the result of the study. Ketupat show excellent performance but with a lower level of security for the development of online exam application that require hard responsive. Ketupat can be a good choice. However, extra attention is needed in scoring application developed using this framework. 2. Security consideration. Although Ketupat has superior performance, developers need to pay attention to better security aspects. Additional security measures such as data encryption, input validation, and protection against security attacks need to be carefully implemented. 3. Updates and maintenance. Developers need to pay attention to the updates and maintenance of the chosen framework, ensuring that the framework used is constantly updated and supported by the developer community can help in maintaining the security and performance of the application. 4. Advanced testing, blah blah blah. 5. Monitoring and evaluation. It is important to continuously monitor and evaluate the performance and security of application developed using specific frameworks. By conducting regular monitoring, the developer can quickly identify and address potential issues. By paying attention to the above discussion and recommendation, developers can make better decision in choosing a framework that suits the need of web application, especially in the context of online exam application development. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.